Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make a very simple and easy wheat pancake. For that we have to take 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix all these three together well. Hand mixing is enough. Now take 2 cups of wheat flour in a sieve along with 2 big pinches of baking soda. Then sift the flour. Add a portion of the flour first and add milk. In a total I have taken 1.5 cups of milk. Add a little of the milk, mix it together and then add a portion of the wheat flour. Add the wheat flour and the milk alternatively so that mixing is easy for you. Make sure that the batter is not too runny or too thick. Now close the batter and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now take a tawa, heat it well. This is a cast iron tawa. I've heated it well now. Reduce the flame and add a little oil. I added coconut oil. If you like the flavor of it, it's okay. Otherwise, you can add butter also. Then reduce the flame to low and close it and cook it. Now flip it to the other side. Close the pancake and let it cook. Check if it is cooked by just pricking in the center. Now this pancake is done. It's a very simple and easy one. Your children will love it. This version will be very soft on the outside and inside also. Your children will surely love it. You can give it for them for breakfast or as a snack also. Now take a normal tawa, heat it well, add a little bit more of coconut oil. I have used 5 to 6 tablespoons. You have to make sure that the pancake gets like almost like fried in the oil. This is another type which will surely give you a different taste, different form of the pancake. For small children, you can very well give this form. Now reduce the flame, close it and cook. Let it cook on one side. After that, open the lid, flip it to the other side, close the vessel, close the pancake, and then let it cook. And make sure that the center part is cooked. Try it by pricking it in the center. If it's not cooked, close it again and cook it for some more time. Now the pancake is ready. As it is being fried in oil, the outer part will be very crispy and the inside will be very soft. Do try both the forms. The earlier form will be suitable for adults who don't prefer much oil, and this form will be preferable by children. I hope you liked my video.